Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will be teaching you how to download iOSEmus. iOSEmus is an application that allows you to download other apps without a jailbreak, such as free movies, emulators, and other applications like itself. Not to mention, this is for iOS users only, so if you're on another device, do not watch this video. This download requires no jailbreak. It's completely safe. If anything goes wrong or it doesn't work, please comment below. So first, you're going to want to open up Safari. And you can just search iOSEmus in the search tab, or you can click the download link in the description. Either way is fine. And now you're just going to click the icon that you want to install, and here's all the stuff. So it's going to ask you if it wants to show you a configuration profile, and you're going to allow. And this is going to pop up. Don't forget that this is completely safe. Nothing will happen to your device. Here's more details if you would like to see. So you're just going to press install, type in your passcode, press done, and then install again. And there you go. Then you press done again, it'll take you back here. Just press the home button, and you have it right here. So here we are. It has Movie Box, Pokemon Go hacks, Spotify, but tweaked, changes, information. Here you can contact any of the owners or other partners. All of that will be in the description as well. They have a lot of apps that you can go check out. It'll give you a check if they're working and an X if it might not work for you. So you can see that right there on the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.